Alright guys, to start your Smart Art family tree, start with a blank slide, okay? Then you're going to go to Insert. You're going to go to Smart Art. You're going to select Hierarchy, and you're going to select this one. Why not? It's a good one. Hit OK. Alright, at the very top, you're going to start with your family tree. So you can type My Family Tree. It should auto adjust your size. You can make it smaller later as needed. So next thing you need to do, you're going to do your mom's side and your dad's side. So we're going to go and I'm going to add Crockett. And then to get my mom's side of the tree, I'm going to click Add Shape. And then there you go. I get my mom's side. So that's going to be Modisette is their family name. All right, and then what I need to do is you need to break these apart. So I'm going to actually delete these bottom ones because I need their own part of their tree. So I'm going to delete that, and now I'm going to select just mine here, and I'm going to click Add Shape, but I'm going to click on the little triangle, and I'm going to click Add Shape below. And there you go. You get my branch of just my dad. And then I'm going to select here, and I'm going to select just Add Shape, and that's also going to give me one on the same level because that's my grandma and my grandpa. So I'm going to select Add Shape. And I don't know what just happened. Let's try it again. Add Shape. Oops. Oh, we don't want that. If that happens, it goes below. I'm just going to move it across here to the left, and there you go. And now it's on the, it wanted to put it down, but you can just move it up, and you can even that out as needed. This is going to be really big, so I need to shrink this down because my family tree is going to be bigger. Okay, and I can again move this as needed. Let me get rid of this. I'm not going to use that. Let's make this a little bit wider. There we go. That's a little bit better. That looks much better. And then I know I'm going to have my grandpa and my grandma and get their names. I'm just doing this for illustrative purposes, grandpa. And then below that, I'm going to have, you can just, you can pick both of them. It doesn't really matter. You can't really select and have 2 leaders. So I'm going to select one, Add Shape below. And again, you're going to have to do some moving around. There you go. And what we'll do later is I'll add another line down here from, sorry, grandma. It's supposed to be grandma. Don't have 2 grandpas. Grandma. And I'll add another line below that. And then below this, okay, we're going to stop here. So what you can do, again, we're going to add underneath this one. So I'm going to add shape below. All right, and then I'm going to add a shape. Go back. Go add shape below. Let's try this one again. Good. And I can move this one back up. Slide my mom over a little bit. There we go. And then we have, again, my grandma, grandpa, and grandma on my mom's side. And then below that, we're going to add one, add shape below. All right, and then move this around, and that should fix the grandma, grandpa issue. There we go. Okay, and so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a line below these two. This is my dad. This is my mom. And I'm going to add a line connecting them. So I'm just going to go to Insert, Shapes, Draw a Line, hold Shift to make it a straight line. I'm going to let go. It's too thin, so I'm going to go to Shape Outline, Weight, make that thicker. That's pretty good. It's close in color as well too. Now below that, I'm going to add 2 more lines. So I have, depending on the number of people in your family, if you're an only child, it'll be 1 line. If you have brothers and sisters, it'll be multiple lines. So I'm going to go Shape. I'm going to draw a line down from here, and I'm going to add, again, the same shape outline, weight, move this thicker. I'm going to copy that because there's only 2 of us, so there's me and my brother. All right, I'm then going to copy one of these, and I'm going to paste a block. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that. Sorry. I'm going to go to Insert, Insert Smart Art, and then I'm going to select this a list because it's blocks. So I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to delete 2 of these blocks. And there we go. And then I'm going to resize these blocks to be smaller. They should be side by side. And if they're not, you'll have the ability to move them as needed. So I can move one up here. Okay. Let's make this wider. There we go. And then shrink it down a bit. And now I can move this up and connect them, and that's going to be me and my brother. So just remember to update this, to even things out, to put your parents' names in, your brother's name, siblings, etc. And then you can add, something to this if you want to, a shape outline, tree outline. There's a lot you can do to decorate this, but that's the basics of that.